everybody, I'm Aurora Nanda, this time from the most beautiful, amazing raw vegan community ever, Terra Frutis. We're going to share this time a very simple and quick recipe. It's just filled tomatoes, filled tomatoes. We need just the vegetables you like. At this case, I have arugula. If you don't find arugula easily in your home or country, you can replace it with spinach or lettuce or cabbage. So whatever leaf you enjoy or you find easily. Some cilantro, or if you prefer, you can change it for parsley. So it's up to you guys. Here I made this beautiful dip. It's basically made with some coconut meat, some sunflower seeds, lemon, some curry. So the curry that I did by my own. I did it with turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, and I put some cardamom and oregano. So basically this dip has no salt because since 2 months ago I got rid of salt. So it's up to you putting the salt if you like. So basically it's this lemon, some spices, coconut meat, sesame and sunflower seeds. And then I have some carrots, grated carrots, some cauliflower. Here I have one of my favorite, this hot chili pepper, some red onions, avocado, pepper, and for ultimate details I put oregano, dried oregano. Okay, so basically what we're going to do is just to cut the tomato, to cut it from the half like this. So and now you try to take all the pulp inside and put it in a bowl. So basically you can cut it a little bit around. So you're not going to throw away the tomato meat, you're going to use it for the recipe itself. You see, it's trying, the idea is trying to get the tomato a little bit empty. Like this. So the other half, another one. Okay, so now we have this. We can put it in a plate like this, ready to fill it. So now we have here all the pulp of the tomato, and let's go to add the carrot. I just grated a little bit. You can spiralize it, you can cut it as you like. I find it more practical to do it grated here. Okay, so the carrot. We can use the cilantro. the arugula. So I'm going to cut it very, very thin. This arugula was taken directly from Terra Frutis garden. They planted here, so it's so fresh, vegan, organic, no chemical. It's so safe to eat in this community. And then you add this to the bowl. Well, some people don't use onion, but I still love onion, so I'm going to put a little bit onion. I'm going to put it. I really love red onion. It gives some enhance to the food, but yeah, some people don't like it because according to Ayurveda, according to Indian medicine, it's considered Rajasic or Rajasic. So it means that agitate the mind. So when you want to meditate and be more peaceful and relaxed, onion doesn't help so much. So I'm not using garlic recently in my recipes, but still I use a little bit of red onion. You can get rid of it if you're not into onion. Add this to the bowl too. Then a little bit of pepper. This one is sweet pepper. So basically it's a salad, but with a nice presentation and nice decoration. Now let's go to add this to the bowl. I have some cauliflower here, so let's go to add the cauliflower. My favorite, the chili pepper, because I love spicy stuff. So this is gonna be kind of Indian flavor. So it's gonna be a little bit spicy, but if you don't like spicy, it's fine. So I will put this just a little bit because this one is very strong. Onto the bowl, I'm going to use avocado. So yeah, it's kind of an Indian recipe, Indian flavor, but with some American touch because we are in Ecuador. So here, avocados are abundant. So let's go to Put some avocado. And the secret sauce, the beef. Let's see. And you mix absolutely everything. A little bit more sauce. It's so beautiful to prepare some raw vegan recipes because basically you don't change so much what Mother Nature gives to us. So you keep everything fresh. You don't have to cook, to wash so much dishes. It's not complicated. It's very, very, very easy. And I'm going to add some oregano. And that's all. You see? Let's go to fry. Delicious. So now, let's go to peel our tomato. Like this. So if you have more guests, you can just cut more tomatoes and add more ingredients. Like this. So everything is just ready. Some minutes, everything is done. So you can clear a little bit. And let's quickly show you. So let's go to try. So I hope you can be inspired, guys, from this beautiful and quick and fast and easy lifestyle raw vegan rocks. So enjoy.